Well, today I am just going to give you a quick update of the trailer. I got it all insulated. I got some paneling up here on the sides just because I want to be able to mount a few things to it. It'll make it so that when I do my cupboards and stuff, it'll be a lot easier. I got the floor in. I got it bolted down. And so this stuff here is just to protect it so I don't get a bunch of junk on the floor and ruin the floor while I'm walking around and stuff. Still have to get the toilet in, but I really need to get the headliner in and sewed up before I put any toilets or any cupboards or anything in here. So just to give you an update, I built me a roof rack to go on it. And anyway, so I got a roof rack here. Got it welded up. It's made out of the same aluminum. I put this here in case I want to put a cover over the window in the front. So, because there's no really way to bolt it to the fiberglass, so I'm gonna put it. If I want to bolt the cover to that window, I'll bolt it to this, and then. And anyway, I still have to do some. I didn't finish painting right here because I got to do some side pieces to go down so that it doesn't wobble back and forth as you go down the road. So I got to put some stabilizers down there, and plus it won't wobble as much when it gets welded to the trailer. But anyway, I built me some things for the lights right here. So this is where the lights are gonna go in. And I'm going to put a whole bunch of LED lights in there. And then we'll be putting it on the trailer today. And I'll get it welded to the frame. Kind of a little challenging to do the roof rack and get it all welded on. You can't really put the trailer on once the roof rack is on. So you kind of have to build the roof rack later and kind of put it on. So I kind of built it so I could slide it on from the side. So anyway, that's where she's at right now, and have a great day.